You're smoking them. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. What year Civic is this?
90.
Okay. Man, you got some power in the trunk.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, good morning, Paul.
Yeah, Jacob, that's the real Honda. You know what I'm saying? Any other Honda you see fake. Oh, my God. You won't do that. Next year, it's going to be different. Have full night shades in there. Yes,
oh, wow.
Yep.
Is this a 16K?
Yep. 16K.
On those, what subs?
XT3s.
Okay.
18s.
Nice. Who did the install?
Well, EM Audio did the install.
Okay. Nice. Is this 160 amp hour?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
I got the other door for you to see how the box works.
Oh, okay, I'll go look over there.
Yeah, it's a trick box. You can go all the way to the back.
Wow. Did they actually slide this box in? Okay. Wow. What's this port tuned to?
32 hertz.
32?
Yes, sir.
I like it, man. This is like a, what kind of resin? Is it a resin on top of the box? Wow. It's
Yep.
like really nice.
You remember Wally-No?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
This was their old setup.
Okay. Wow.
Well, they did this ocean spray, and I just put the XT3s in. They had the ZV6s in it.
Okay. Do you know like cubic space or tuning?
It's tuned at, he said between, it gets, they like the 37, I think he said 28.
Okay, 28 to 37 hertz is a good bandwidth for it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And these are 3000 RMS, I think? Okay.
Yep. And the new ones.
Okay. Can I see under the hood, if that's okay? I don't see very many oldie cars like this with.
That's what made me so unique.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with them new shit.
How's it handling the doors?
Oh yeah, they do pretty good.
Yeah.
We install them.
Okay.
Old Paul got his little hand in there. I try to keep him out of line.
Okay.
Like, yo.
You call it a little scrappy?
Yeah, you go. A little scrappy.
All right.
We'll throw together. Now this here is a dummy now.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
You remember these old jump?
Yes, it works though.
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet. What size alternator?
Shit. I don't even think I put it. It's just factory stock on that.
Just
one.
stock?
Mhm.
Okay. So it's all lithium.
There you go.
All right. Team still louder.
Ooh, we done that second load?
Oh yeah.
A comfy and stylish fit. Sizes range from small to double extra large. And just like Santa, we free shipping for new users. Download and shop on Temu now.
It's a magnificent
You're smoking them for me.